Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello bakers! In this video I will show how to make delicious banana bread. First, mash 3 to 4 very ripe bananas in a large bowl. Next, in a separate bowl, cream together 1/2 cup of softened butter and 1 1/4 cups of granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Then, beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, followed by 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, stir in 1/2 cup of buttermilk to complete your wet ingredients. Now let's prepare our dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of salt. Gradually add this dry mixture to your wet ingredients, mixing gently until just combined. Remember, overmixing can lead to a tough bread, so stop as soon as no dry streaks remain. If you like, fold in 1 cup of chopped nuts or chocolate chips for an extra treat. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 175 degrees Celsius. Thoroughly grease and flour a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan to prevent sticking. Carefully pour your delicious banana bread batter into the prepared pan, spreading it evenly with a spatula. Bake for approximately 55 to 65 minutes. You'll know it's done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let your banana bread cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. This helps it firm up before handling. Then carefully remove the loaf from the pan and transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. While it's tempting to slice right away, cooling fully ensures the best texture. Enjoy your homemade banana bread warm or at room temperature, perhaps with a generous spread of butter. It's truly a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.